Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how to implement customer success management with Zoho Project. The first step is to create your project. This is where you'll define your goals and objectives. It's crucial because it sets the direction for your customer success management strategy. You'll find the New Project button on the top right corner. Click on it, give your project a name, and define your objectives. Now that we've done that, let's move on to adding team members. This step is essential because these are the people who will be in direct contact with your customers. To add team members, go to the Team tab, click on Add Members, and then enter their email addresses. The reason we do this is to ensure that everyone involved in the project has access to the necessary information. Next up, let's talk about task creation. This helps us because it allows us to assign specific roles and responsibilities to each team member. Navigate to the Tasks tab and click on New Task. Here, you can define the task, assign it to a team member, and set the due date. Now, let me explain why this matters. When everyone knows their roles and responsibilities, it allows for smooth operation and ensures that no task is left unattended. Lastly, we'll set up a customer feedback system. This is done by going to the Reports tab and clicking on New Report. Here, you can set the parameters for the feedback you want to collect from your customers. This is crucial as it allows you to gauge customer satisfaction and make necessary improvements. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When you gather customer feedback, you're directly engaging with your customers. This helps you understand their needs and expectations better, thereby improving your customer success management. And there you have it. With these steps, you've just implemented a customer success management strategy using Zoho Project. Remember, the key is to continuously monitor and adjust your strategy based on customer feedback. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.